Hey everyone, I just wanted to quickly make a little video about how to install Node.js and Express onto your computer, because I was noticing as I was trying to do this that most of the tutorials are from like 2018, and there's a couple little things that have changed for Windows. When you go to the website, you just click on the recommended for most users version because it will have the least amount of bugs. Once that is downloaded, you can open that, and then it'll bring up the setup wizard, and you just go through that and just say yes to everything. I already have it downloaded, but yeah, you just go through, accept the terms, and then it will download. On Windows, PowerShell will come up, and a bunch of installation text will run. It'll download a bunch of stuff to your computer, and then... So to check what you have on your computer now, you used to have to do $node and so on, but now you just have to do node space -v. You used to have to do version, but yeah, now it's just v. And then it shows you've got it on your computer. That's simple enough. And then to install Express from there, all you have to do is, now for Windows 10, you just have to say npm install express --save. And then it will download, and then it will be there in your computer, and you're ready to go. Now, another thing you're probably going to want to install is Mongoose. So I have it copied. It's just npm install Mongoose. Enter. It'll download. And there you go. So now you're all set up with Node.js and Mongoose and Express. So hopefully that's helpful for other people in the same boat as me, and please subscribe and like and comment. Let me know if this helped. Okay, bye.